a motherfucking diva.
Hey besties, welcome back to another video. If you're a new subscriber, hey boo, what's good, what's popping? If you're a new subscriber, hey love, welcome and thank you for joining the fam. You guys, this is a highly requested video, especially on my WhatsApp. So we are going to be bleaching the knots and plucking this unit. I hope this video is more detailed, guys. So the first thing that you're gonna need is a bowl and a spoon, because I wanted to do this more accessible, like with things that you have at home. And then you're gonna need your bleach powder. It doesn't have to be this one. It can be, there is one that they sell at Fantasy. Yeah, you can also use that one. I think it's 10 rand or 12 rands. If you buy 2 packs, that should be good for you. Then you put the bleaching powder on the bowl, and then the solvent, I used 30 volume developer. So with the one that is at Fantasy, it doesn't really have the numbers like the 30 or the 40. I don't know what it means, but it means that 30 is less powerful than the 40. And then you mix, and please make sure that your consistency is very thick, and then you can start. Make sure you are very gentle when you're applying, my loves, because you don't want your knots to go and start dyeing the actual hair on the other side. So you need to be gentle. After that, wait a little bit for like 20 minutes, and then it's good to wash. And then, per usual, you run your water. The first thing you want to do is you want to start exactly from the bleach first. Remove the bleach entirely, and then when you are done, when you see that the bleach is out, and then you can continue washing the entire hair. Don't just put the entire wig with the bleach and stuff. That's, I don't know what it's gonna do, but I don't think it's a good idea, and I think it might bleach the actual hair. And then you just put your shampoo in, you wash your hair. If you guys want a detailed video on how to properly treat your wig, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll be glad to do that. And then you just condition. It's just a normal process. And then you condition your hair, make sure the hair is properly clean and the bleach is entirely out. And then, as you can see, I'm just checking my hair, and you guys, I know I don't even have to say anything. The hair was properly bleached. Now let's get to the plucking part. Now with the plucking, right, I made this very easy for those that doesn't have the mannequin head. You can also do a plucking on your knee. As long as you have a white surface, you can use a white towel or a white bed sheet or a white pillowcase. That's what I used on the video. And then you just put it on.
Little.
As you can see, I sectioned the first part. That's what you want to do. You want to section it first. The front hair, you don't want to start with it, because if you mess it, it's over, my love. So as you can see, I'm just plucking the first part, and you don't want to repeat on the same spot. So when you pluck, you just go to the other side. Keep on plucking, and then you use your comb to remove the hair that you have plucked. And then when you see that you've plucked it enough, then you can section it again, and then you continue plucking unto your liking. So it depends on how you like your wigs. If you like them too plucked, you can do that, my loves, as long as you section and pluck, section and pluck, section and pluck, and it should be good. And then you go ahead, and you need to section your pluckings. You start with the side, and then you come to the middle, and then you do the other side, and then you should be able to, to see if it's properly done. As you can see now, I'm sectioning the middle part, the front part. I did exactly what I did on the side. You section properly section, and then you comb it back so you can, you know, the path can be clear for you to pluck, and then you go again and pluck. You pluck. Make sure you move around with your tweezer. Don't plug in one spot continuously. So that's what you do. You continue plucking, especially the front part. It's usually thick, the front part, so that's where you do a lot of work on the front part. But the sides, they are not that difficult, but the front, child. So you continue plucking, my loves. You continue plucking. You section, you pluck until you are satisfied. As you can see, I'm sectioning again. I'm out of breath. You pluck, and that's pretty much it, my loves. And as you can see, you can see it's almost there. It looks good. So that's what you do, my loves, and your wig should be ready. After that, you just air dry it and straighten it and do your installation, and you should look like a bed. The final look, it looks so good. It looks so good, so properly plugged. Thank you guys for tuning in my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.
Ryan Little.